We're at 11% there, 6%, and 5%. I think it's time to throw it on the charger. I'm sure you all have been thinking about emergency power at home, whether you've been thinking about gas or electric and solar and propane, all sorts of different options. And that's great, and you really should if you haven't. But that said, have you been thinking about it for where you work, where you earn your money? What happens when the power goes out there? Do you just go home and wait a few days until you're set to go? Well, I want to talk about that because I have had that. I've got this the new studio here. We still have the old shop, but we got the new studio. We're out here in Montana, and we lose power on a fairly regular basis, whether it's the middle of the winter, cold and ice, or whether it's spring storms or summer fires. There's always a reason, it seems. So I reached out to my friends over at EcoFlow. I knew they were doing this whole disaster preparedness thing going. I'm like, I think this is something that no one's talking about, really needs to be addressed. So I convinced them to send me 2 additional batteries because they had already sent me for testing the Delta EcoFlow, the Delta 2 Max. All right. And I'm like, what if we had a couple batteries in this? I've got this whole cart system I'm using for my PC. What if we built that out into an emergency power system for home, for the office, for the shop, all sorts of places? Let me show you what I'm talking about because I'm pretty happy with it. And this is my current setup. It's set up as a camera cart. I pretty much have my entire camera and lighting situation here all tethered into this power bank, running off of this on the cart that I can take anywhere in the studio. And yes, we're still working on it, but we're having different areas where we're going to be shooting here. And the idea is I don't want to have extension cords all over my floor to be tripping on and stuff. I don't like large tripods, hence I use the smaller monopod kind of setup. And with this, I can bring my high-end camera, I can bring it in close, I can pull it back up, I can bring a microphone down. I have my smaller action cam over here. We have the remote camera over here, and all have my shooting gear on top of there, some extra cables, and it all ties down into my power bank. All right, we've been running this about 2 weeks. We're at 11% there, 6%, and 5%. I think it's time to throw it on the charger. So let's talk about the setup. So this is the cart that I'm using. It's just a generic cart. I bought off of Amazon. It was like $100, maybe a little bit less. There on the one side, it's got a deeper lip there. You can see that on the deeper lip. On the other side, it's got a shallower lip. So just be aware that if you set it up, if you use this cart, you want to make sure all those sides align. And then it's simply a case of, I put the inverter on the second shelf, and I'm calling it the inverter rather than the battery, so you can tell the difference between the two. And it's like it's made for this because they just slide in right in there. They fit perfectly in this cart, and so you can just get there. You get the main unit up there, easier access to the ports and stuff. Now for the backup batteries, I love that they have onboard storage. It's something I wish more power stations would do. You got the cable right there, nice big super heavy duty kind of cable there for it. I mean, it's putting out a lot of juice. Of course, our favorite moment. You gotta love that. Anyway, just press and hold, and now you got, look at, there's another 2,000 watts there. So this, and again, it's the same kind of installation. You just slide it in place and you're ready to go. Here's the cables to connect them. As you can see, big, super robust. They can only go in one direction. You got the power on the outside, the controlling pins on the inside, the ports right here on the side of the unit. Couldn't be simpler to connect these things, and you can't really mess it up. There we go. Let me slide this all the way in, and we're ready to connect these. All right, now need to get the second one in here. It's not hard. It's just, a little bit of manhandling. They're not super light. Just make sure you've got the edges on the cart lined up. Again, I'm going to put links to the cart and everything else down below. You can check it out. Again, the plugs, they're one directional, so you can't accidentally plug these in backwards. No fear there. And literally, it's like Legos. You just plug this thing together, and look at that. You are instantly connected. Zero configuration. You've got backup power, and you are ready to go. It does all the self-balancing between the loads and everything. It is legit plug and play. All right, so you saw it in action. This is what the heart of the system is. It's the Delta 2 Max. That's a 2400 watt, 2048 hour watt hour. So how much juice it can put out, how long it can put that juice out. This is your full all-in-one kind of system here, and it's the heart of it. It's got the inverter, it's got some of its own juice, it's got all the connections, the 120 in the back, the USB up front, and then the two connections on the side there. You can see them there right in here there. You can see that's where the other two batteries connect. And then, of course, and that is running right now. They have a sale going on for the next 5 hours for $1,500. But they're having sales going on all throughout the week. And I'm going to put links to everything down below. We're going to get you, if you want to go this route, we're going to get you in there as cheap as possible. Next up, we got to talk about the batteries, because that's what really turns this basic kind of system into a full-blown kind of power source. That's 6,000. Think about it. To the main battery, which is 2,048. The two additional batteries, 2K each, 2,048 each, round it down, 6K of power. That's a lot of juice. I was able to run my entire studio off of it for 2 weeks. That's incredible. Now think about that. Now, granted, I'm not pulling a ton of juice. I use LED lights. I got my camera, the PC. I got everything else plugged in here. I do the recharging for all the USB like lighting systems and stuff that I use. But that said, think about your business or your shop where you could, where you earn your dough. Man, if you go down, even if it's for a couple hours, that is money out of your pocket. And something like this can help you alleviate that. On top of that, like I run my PC through this. So even if we have just a short brownout or something like that, I don't notice it because it also acts as a UPS. It conditions the line. So all those ups and downs and everything else, my computer, my technology doesn't see any of that. It just keeps rolling at that steady pace. And that's another one of the reasons I love this with the LifePo 4. That's why you want to get the Delta 2 series. I know Delta probably doesn't want to talk to me with me saying this because they're trying to get rid of their old original kind of stuff that has the original lithium ion battery tech. The Delta 2 has the LifePo 4 tech. It has vastly more recharge cycles, so it's going to last way longer. It's going to be able to take the power all the way down more than you can with a lithium ion, a standard lithium ion. There's lithium in the LifePo 4, but you know what I'm saying here. It can handle heat variances better. It's just a tougher, better battery all around. The only thing it's not great at is super high power discharge, which is what you need for like power tools. But for stuff like this, they're running cars on these. This LifePo 4 is where it's at right now. Anyway, let's go back to these deals. So the battery itself, now you can add one, you can add two here, but you do need to have the core unit. You can't just have one of these. $1,400, $300 off coupon right now, taking that down to $1,100. And then, there's other options here. Let's go over here. So this is on Amazon right now. The EcoFlow River 2 Max, I use that with my CPAP because, again, of that UPS feature. That way, if in the middle of the night the power goes out or the missus accidentally unplugs my CPAP, it keeps running. I'm all good. Anyway, there's one of the EcoFlow River Pros. This is the old school one. I'm going to say pass on that one. And then we've got over here, we've got the EcoFlow River 2 Pro. And then I'm not going to go through all of them. You can check them out. We got a bunch of sales going on here. Again, this February is their disaster preparedness month. And they're trying to get these here at, bottom dollar. And EcoFlow, as far as I'm concerned, is the Cadillac of these power stations, of portable power station solutions. You can also go over to their website, and I'll have links to everything down below. Valentine's Day sale up to $2,400 off, plus get 10% extra discount and useful freebies. So you can go over there. You know what? Nothing says I love you to the missus like making sure the house and the family are taken care of. That's my wife, and I kid you not, she is like that. I gave away a power supply and a solar panel to some friends of ours, and she's like, "Why are you giving my solar panels away?" She gets a little crazy about this stuff. She really is into the whole preparedness thing, and I love her for that. Anyway, you saw some of the solutions we're doing here, and I'm really excited about this because, first of all, in day-to-day use, I can now take this whole power station, 6K of power, and I can wheel it anywhere in my shop or studio. And if I need to bust it out and take the inverter out, I can just unplug a few things and take it with me to go on the go and come back, just plug them back in and go. I want to hear from you. Like, Is this something that you could use in your daily life or your home backup kind of stuff? Or what kind of solutions do you have going on besides the standard, like it's bolted to the wall and it just kind of, I'm stuck with it and that's all there is to it? Let me know what you think down in the comments. If you got any questions, put it down there. I always try to answer the questions as best I can. While you're down there, don't forget to chomp the old like button, smash the subscribe on the way out. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.